Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're going to know how to plan, organize, and develop of any kind of academic writing. So let's start. Our first thing is that first we have to know what is academic writing. Academic writing refers to a particular style of expression that scholars use to define the boundaries of the disciplines and the areas of expertise. Then there are some particular characteristics of academic writing. For example, a formal tone, use the third person rather than first person perspectively, focus on research problem, precise word choice, and how to plan and organize. At first, you have to understand the question, then brainstorm for ideas. You have an idea or the question is already given you a problem or a statement, so you have to brainstorm for that idea or for that problem to finding out the possible way to define yourself, to define your position. So then how to make a plan, and at first we know why we should need a plan for before writing any academic writing. Planning your essay to make it more likely that you have a coherent argument. It enables you to work out a logical structure. It means you do not need to think a lot of complex things, but you have to find out the right words to express your ideas. Also, it helps you to communicate yourself, sticking to the point. Then here I bring up picture that how can we mind map, how can we do a mind map. uh, for example, first we have to put a title, then what is about, ask some questions of that problem of that given statement, then you will find some answers, then try to write down those answers in your writing. So first of all is what is about, who are the characteristics, what did it happen, then why did it happen, when did it take place, something like that. It is of course, yeah, it is not mandatory that you have to just follow those five or six questions. It depends on your topic or on your problem or your on your statement. Then the tone, that how should be the tone in an academic writing. So we are going to know about those things, that what will be the tone or the language of an academic writing. So we have to bear in mind something or some points for writing a paragraph. For example, while we will write a paragraph, an introductory sentence, supportive details, arguments, any details, information, or last one is concluding sentences. Write in only one paragraph, and it is the noticeable thing that you have to bear in mind that you're writing a paragraph. You are not writing the a composition that includes different or four or five paragraphs. So it's a paragraph. So bear in mind for a paragraph, but there are some particular tips for an essay. There will be three or four paragraphs. First one will be an introductory paragraph, then some supporting details for two or three paragraph to give you the give yeah, to make your position clear, whether you agree or disagree with that statement. Then finally you have to write down a concluding paragraph. So for an essay, every paragraph will have an introductory sentence. It is here the noticeable thing. And for you, if you see the paragraph, then if you have to write in only one paragraph. But for essay or any type of composition, you have to write several paragraphs, but every paragraph will have an introductory sentence. Then do you have any question? If we'll discuss it on in our next online session. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.